Fat Ass Woods, Big Bugs. You know what I'm saying? Part 2, Season 2, what it do? Man, so who we got here today, man?
It's your boy. Form Sweat Slim. You already know what's up, man. Big form.
Hell yeah, man.
Nope.
I'm going to pass this back, man. I'm too high. You know what I'm saying? 420 edition, you know what I'm saying? Big smoke, big choke, you know what I'm saying?
420 edition.
Yes. You know what I'm saying? So what we smoking on?
You already know we smoking on that motherfucking super glue, exotic shit.
Yeah. I tried not to fuck with the names. Cause I felt like niggas was selling me, like, you know what I'm saying? Like shit that it just wasn't what it was, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so like, you know what I'm saying? So I guess my first question, I jumped this whole off. All right, so I need you to rank from least potent to most potent. Zaza, Gas, Loud, and Exotic. And I came up with that because I felt like I was getting some high quality CBD. You know what I'm saying? Nigga got some shit that look good.
Yeah,
when you smoke it, it's like, did they already put this whole through the little vape, or you know what I'm saying, or what's going on? You know what I'm saying?
Shit, yeah, man, it's a big difference. Shit.
So go ahead and rank them hoes.
You already know shit. Exotic that's the most powerful.
Yeah.
You feel me?
Yeah.
But you know, what's the name before that? That's my shit. What's the name before that? The Exotic.
Yeah.
You feel me? The Exotic. Then it's the Gas. Then it's the Mid.
Yeah.
You feel me? You know, going down. Yeah, it's the Mid, then Rigid.
Yeah. All right, so with you being not from Dallas, right? When you came across corn, you ever smoke corn? Where you put corn at?
Sir.
You know what I'm saying? Because on some Dallas shit, corn used to be like, well, then niggas like advertise like Joe back in the day.
It was crazy because like, shit, back in the G, weed was more, you know what I'm saying? Like, shit.
That shit was real delicacy. I was like, that shit used to be 20
weed
G.
back in the G.
Yeah,
bro, like, used to be 20 G, that type of weed. Like,
you feel me?
Nigga.
Like, all right, so like I even looking at your wood over there. That would have been a Philly.
Yes, sir.
Full of Reggie.
Yes, sir.
Back in the day.
And you would have got high as a motherfucker.
Nigga.
You know what I'm saying? And you would have got high as a motherfucker, my nigga. Real talk.
Real crazy ass shit, you know what I'm saying? So the man, so I seen you on the scene, you know what I'm saying? What else is popping from you, you know what I'm saying? We got like musically, you know what I'm saying? I seen you just drop the Triller that people need to go check out, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead and talk about that a little bit more.
Bitch want to know, man. I made that bitch to my new song coming out, Trucked Out. You feel me?
Yeah.
Yeah, that Trucked Out.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Go ahead, spit a little bit.
That bitch go like, with a scale I got the pack in. Bad bitch I fought from the back end. Remember I was broke out back then. Now I'm up, I'm getting the racks in.
Yeah.
With a scale I got the pack in. Bad bitch I fought from the back end. Remember I was broke out back then. Now I'm up, I'm getting the racks in. Truck.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like that. You just go check that bitch out, vibe with it, man.
Yeah. I like that. I like that, man. I like that.
Hey, I'm finna shoot a video. Had paint.
Yeah.
I'm finna shoot a video.
Yeah. So what's gonna be like the inspiration? You kind of got like the treatment that you're already thinking about, or what?
Shit, man.
I mean, when you talking about trap shit, you know what I'm saying?
What I do?
Yeah.
So you know what I'm saying? It's like it ain't no. Like when I shoot the video, I'm gonna go as I go. What I do. You know what I'm saying?
No, that's some real shit.
Yeah.
All right. So I'm gonna ask you a speed round of some questions. You know what I'm saying? You can just go ahead and just give me the first one. Like when you hear it, just give me which one that you feel you fuck with more. All right.
All right. Go.
Dog or cats?
Dog.
Netflix or YouTube?
Shit. YouTube.
Phone call or text?
Shit. Phone call.
Toast or eggs?
Shit. Eggs.
Cardio or weights?
The cardio or weights?
Yeah.
Weights.
Instagram or Snapchat?
IG for sure.
White girls or black girls?
Shit, both.
Xbox or the PS series, you know what I'm saying?
Shit, PS for sure.
Yeah. All right, so then while working on your music, like on an album, listening to other artists or not listening to other artists?
Shit, listening to other artists.
Yeah. All right, so like break down some of like your musical influences, you know what I'm saying? Last time you told me about, it was kind of like, I think you said it was Pops that kind of got you in the studio? Was it that? Or like somebody older, or even Brick was bro, you know what I'm saying, being about bro, that kind of got you in the studio?
Well, shit, I mean, like, shit, you know what I'm saying? Like I say, now I got myself in the studio, you feel me? Really, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Honestly, you know? It's just, yeah, like I say, shit, like I said, I just was like I said, shit, Wayne and shit like that, music inspiration and shit like that, I was just like watching, you know what I'm saying, them and shit like that, and, you know, as a kid and shit like that.
Yeah.
And, you know, it just inspired me, you feel me? As I got older, you know, I ain't just really realized I had the music talent, I had a passion for it, so I just, you know, really got older, you feel me? So, like I say, shit, I just wanted to move with it. You know what I'm saying? It started off, I was, like, shit, I was the freestyle king, you feel me? Like, you know what I'm saying? I was freestyle shit, everybody just wanted to hear me freestyle shit like that. You know, and then this thing, that's when I really knew, like, yeah, you feel me? I need to get in the studio, drop songs, make mixtapes and shit.
Yeah. So like, all right. So we got the Triller dropping, that hoes out. Video about to come soon. What else we got popping coming soon too?
Shit, I got 2 clothing stores coming soon.
Yeah, let's go ahead and talk about that. Cause every time I see you know what I'm saying, nigga be fly. It's like you stepping the shit up. You know what I'm saying? So they here in Dallas or what?
Yeah, I got one coming in here. I got one gonna be back home too.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? So
Foreign Drip.
Yeah, that's what it's gonna be called.
Foreign Drip. That's my shit.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah, some people already got it, man. Shout out to y'all. You feel me? If you ain't got it, man, make sure you hit me up. Shop with me, man.
Yeah. So like, just even talking about how like just fashion. Cause I feel like it's all art. How that even all intertwines and even affects your music and even works with. You know what I'm saying?
It's all art, man. It's all art. Like you gotta put that shit together. You gotta orchestrate that shit. You feel me? Like, that's the only way that shit gonna go right. You feel me?
Yeah. All right. So let me ask you some speed questions. I'm gonna try to ask you the best speed Louisiana. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying? That is from what I can even got. You know what I'm saying? All right. So we're gonna go with Boosie or Webby.
See, Webby, man.
Gumbo or Boudin?
Shit, Gumbo. So.
You know what I'm saying? I want to say that's my Louisiana stop right there. You know what I'm saying? You know, because you're right there in the middle. I could pop it off with New Orleans or Shreveport.
Oh, yeah, I don't know New Orleans for sure.
You know what I'm saying? Young boy, or Kevin Gates.
Man, I say it really ain't no comparison, bro. You feel me? Both of them niggas. You know, they in their own lane, but they hard in their own lane, so there ain't no comparison. You feel me? Yeah. Both of them niggas, you know.
But you only got. We just hop in the whip. We're going about 3 minutes away. You know what I'm saying? You in the car. We only got one song to listen to.
Yeah. Young boy Gates, huh? Yeah. Man, look.
You feel me?
Hey. Shit, young boy.
Yeah.
Hey, free WAP people.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? It's sad to kind of see him in that situation. And it's crazy how like my man actually looking a little bit healthier. You know what I'm saying? It's crazy how like just when time slows down, it's able to do that to you. You know what I'm saying? But free bro, hopefully we get him out. You know what I'm saying? On some real shit. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, I don't say it like this, bro. Just like you know what I'm saying? Like I was saying about RP3. You feel me? Like you get on a certain level to some shit you gotta leave it on.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So like, everybody know you a real nigga, you a street nigga, you ain't got nothing else to prove, you feel me? So, you know what I'm saying, you ain't got nothing else to prove, then you ain't gotta keep trying to prove yourself. You know what I'm saying? Like nigga know what that, nigga know you a real nigga, you ain't gotta keep trying to prove that you certified. With the backwood, the lighter.
You light it up.
Yeah. Alright, bet. But shit, like I say, you ain't got nothing else to prove, bro. You feel me? So, go another route, man. You on that money, you a boss nigga now. You know what I'm saying? So
I like that you brought that back up. So I've interviewed with Professor Ben X. Have you ever heard of him?
Nah,
you know what I'm saying? Big guy, but he out of here in Dallas. You know what I'm saying? So I asked him, he's like he ain't a pastor, but he's whatever that same thing within the Muslim race. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? Nation of Islam, you know what I'm saying? So I was asking him, you know what I'm saying, like, the effect of, like, ego and social media. Like, you know what I'm saying? Because his whole thing that he talks about digital real estate. So it's like, I know that, social media makes money. You know what I'm saying? But, like, what we see out here, you know what I'm saying, on, like, just where we at in the game, we see a lot of on social media. You know what I'm saying? So I like that you said in terms of like you ain't got shit to prove.
Yeah, we see a lot of, you know.
And I don't even see you doing that too much. You know what I'm saying?
Real talk. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? And that shit crazy, but like, it's like that shit force you to do it. You feel me? Cause like, you know, they expecting this and they expecting that. So it's like, yo, you gotta prove shit, like, cause they're like, if I be I'm rapping about that shit, you'll be like, you know what I'm saying? And you gotta know I'm really doing that shit in order for you to, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Which that's real shit, cause I'm the same way. When I listen to artists and shit like that, if I fuck with an artist, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I don't know how I'm gonna fuck with their music if they really live, really living that shit. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So yeah, that's understandable. Okay, you know what I'm saying? That's some real shit. You know what I'm saying?
So you also have a story. You got a real life story. Yes, in our other interview, this is actually gonna be we're doing this the second one. This is gonna be part one. You know what I'm saying? So go ahead and talk about a little bit. Like you told me in the other, that we kind of glossed over it, but you got shot. You know what I'm saying? You got shot more than a couple times. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's it. That was crazy, bro. You feel me? Worst experience in my life.
Real. And it's crazy you say that because like you don't brag. You seen some niggas that turn that into a whole marketing. You know what I'm saying? Tour and shit. You know what I'm saying? You kind of like don't even.
Cause like shit, you know, I'm really from the streets. You feel me? Like I really had beef with niggas and shit like that. So like I don't use that shit. Like you know, rap niggas gotta use that shit in order to, you know what I'm saying? But me, I ain't gotta really use that shit cause you know what I'm saying. Motherfuckers know what it is with me. You feel me? But shit, I mean, it is what it is. I'm blessed. I'm still here.
Hell yeah. Cool. What was it?
Shout out to the bad of the boy.
Amen. What was it like though? You know what I'm saying? I mean, I think you told me you said you didn't talk for 3 days. You know what I'm saying? But like, what was even the situation like? You know what I'm saying? Like,
man, that shit was crazy. Like, you know what I'm saying? Nigga blanked out. Like I blanked out. You feel me? I ain't even remember shit. I ain't remember nothing. You know what I'm saying? I'm up there, fucked up. Like I said, like you know, like when you go to sleep. You know what I'm saying? Like when you go to sleep and you just wake up. So shit, like I went to sleep. I woke up. You know what I'm saying? I'm in the they got the in my arm. You feel my IV, all this shit. You know, they tell me I done got hit. You know what I'm saying? More than one time.
So when they told you got hit and you realized when you woke up, you realized what was your first thought? Cause you know you ain't dead, cause you woke. You know what I'm saying? But just about like you know what I'm saying?
My first thought like, man, thank God. Thank you, Lord. You feel me? That was my first thought. Thank you, Lord. You feel me? Cause I wasn't even expecting it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it'd be like that, you know what I'm saying?
I guess it's the reason why I'm still here.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? We touched on it in the other interview. I gotta go ahead and watch that, you know what I'm saying? My nigga got a story, you know what I'm saying? Real shit. So like, all right, so I wanna ask you a question just even from that perspective. Gucci Mane or Jeezy in the versus battle? Strictly the versus battle.
Strictly the versus battle. I'll say as far as, cause I'm a Gucci Mane fan and I'm a motherfucking Jeezy fan, you feel me? So I'll say as far as the versus part, you know what I'm saying, Jeezy. But as far as the music part, Gucci. Yeah.
Then what about
hits and shit?
What about in terms of, I guess, in life? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like you know what I'm saying?
And life, Gucci.
Because people feel like they had different objectives on that stage a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I understand both parts. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, where Jeezy, I feel like Jeezy won the musical part. You know what I'm saying? He had bigger records, just in my opinion. You know what I'm saying? Right. But like, but I understand where Gucci came from. Where like, you tried to kill me, nigga.
Yeah. Like, you tried to kill me, so like, fuck all that shit.
So like, anything
smoke. Yeah. That's just Gucci being a real nigga. You know what I'm saying?
It's like anything short of me killing you is like me giving you like, you feel me? You tried to kill me, you feel me? So it's like, I got where he was coming from, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. But just even in your situation, just to be like, your insight, how you look at it, like, you know what I'm saying? On some real shit, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, on some real shit.
Hell yeah. So if you can get one feature, Jeezy or Boosie?
Jeezy or Boosie? Shit. Yeah, that's hard cause shit, both of them niggas, you know what I'm saying, like my idols, you feel me? These niggas I dream with, I always do a feature with. So shit, I'm open both, you know what I'm saying? I open one day I could do a feature with both of them niggas, bro. But shit, I say Boosie, bro. I'm gonna keep it going.
That's real.
Cause shit, nigga, I always looked up to Boosie, so shit,
Yeah, it's crazy how like after he got out his jail, like it's just the whole the thing going by Boosie just grew. You know what I'm saying?
Crazy, like see, the whole Louisiana already knew that though.
Yeah. Did y'all think that he was gonna get out?
Shit.
I tell you honestly, I thought. Then after I heard that, I thought it was over with. Then after I heard that he got caught with shit in jail.
Really, you know what I'm saying? Not like down on him or wishing no bad luck on him. You know, just nigga hear about all these murders and shit like that. Niggas don't think. You feel me?
I'm just getting from what I seen. Like, all right.
If I had all that shit, I'm like, man, this is over with for me, bro. I'm gonna say, you know what I'm saying? Cause man, you got all this shit, but you don't know, man. God working mysterious ways.
Yeah. On some real shit, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. You think Bobby Shmurda gonna bounce back?
Bobby Shmurda?
Yeah.
Shit, Bobby Shmurda, he already bounced back.
Yeah,
I've been seeing him. He already been back on this shit. You know what I'm saying? He got shit coming. He been in the studio on shit. Yeah, shout out to him. Hopefully I can do it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, too. You know what I'm saying?
Type shit. That nigga too.
Yeah. So who have you been in the studio with like recently? You know what I'm saying? Like some collabs you've been working with.
Shit, really? Shit, I ain't been in the studio with nobody, but I'm trying to do some features though. You feel me? So. Like I said, if anybody want to work with me, you feel me, that's cool. But if you don't, that's cool too. You feel me? I'm gonna keep dropping, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna keep, turning my shit up, you feel me?
Yeah.
But I'm willing to work with, like, I ain't on that type of shit, like, I ain't trying to do no features. I don't want to fuck with, I ain't on no shit like that, man. Yeah. Like, it's business, you feel me? Trying to do business, let's do it, bro.
That's real shit. So last year, especially after Death 3, something that was kind of coming up was that people felt like the bloggers were the problem within the city. And I don't know how niggas felt in other cities, but you know what I'm saying? Just in terms of media, there's some artists that are not fucking with media altogether. What is your take on that?
Yeah, like, you know what I'm saying? I mean, shit, keep it real. Niggas just can't really like blame it on the blogs on some real shit. And the reason why I say that, cause you know what I'm saying? Really, the rap it started with us. It started with the rappers. By us making the music and the lyrics we'll be putting on the beats and shit like that, right? So if we speaking this shit on y'all doing it just, you know what I'm saying? But we the ones speaking it though, you feel me? We the ones saying this shit, you feel me? So you really just can't put it on the blog, you know what I'm saying? Which really, some of them do, you feel me? But all of them ain't like that, you know what I'm saying? So you just can't don't put it on the blog, but at the end of the day, you gotta watch what you say, you feel me? You gotta know people listening, you gotta know motherfuckers know what's going on, so you really just can't really be speaking on it, you know what I'm saying? Cause to be honest, like nigga really just like on they self, you know what I'm saying? To be honest,
That's some real shit, you know what I'm saying? So, indica or sativa?
Shit. Both. I fuck, man, indica, man.
California or Colorado?
Oh, shit. Cali, Bud.
Oregon or Washington?
Shit. What?
Runts or cookies?
Man, cookies for sure.
Yeah. Last time you came cookied out, you know what I'm saying? So now last minute, tell us why cookies are just really just taking over this last 2 years, you know what I'm saying? It's the whole brand, everything.
The whole brand, everything. See, one, because of the rapper. You know what I'm saying? Because of the rapper. For two, shit, you know what I'm saying? Cookies, man, it's some good shit though, you know what I'm saying? They got that taste to it. And it's smoking good, you know what I'm saying? So, people fuck with them. Like I said, shit, the rappers and real trap niggas. Cause, real trap niggas got cookies for real. They trap fashion, you feel me? So, niggas really rocking the cookies and niggas bringing out their brand. So, everybody fucking with it. Rappers rocking it. The real trap niggas, they rocking it. Boom, so you know what it is, man. Trap fashion.
You know what I'm saying? So, give us your social on the way out.
You already know, man. F1 _ swag _ slam, man. That's my IG. That's my that's